All right, here's how bad it is. Look at this. This is bad. All right, so I finally got the oil filters in the mail. What we're gonna do today is pull the oil filter, see if the shavings are magnetic or see if the majority of them are magnetic. Then we're going to change the oil or fill it up, I guess. I've already drained it. We're also gonna test compression and hopefully ride this thing. My best guess is that most of that stuff is probably gonna be magnetic. This looks okay in there. We got some earth magnets from Harbor Freight. Let's see how much of it is magnetic. Oh boy, quite a bit. Yep, there's a lot of magnetic shavings. Yeah, for sure. Clean out this area where the filter goes, I guess the filter housing, put a new filter in, and then we're going to fill it up with oil, test compression, start it, potentially ride it, just see how it rides. Also, the other thing I want to note is that those shavings are really fine, and it may not be abnormal if they didn't change oil very often on this thing. Oh yeah, look at that. But again, we don't know how this bike was maintained. There's a new oil filter. We have the holes in there. It seems like a decently made oil filter. It's clean in there. Now, okay, got some oil in the seal. Okay, the long bolt goes over here. All right, next step is to fill up the oil. See if it starts leaking oil right away. All right, so I'm gonna run the bike for just a second, loosen this bolt right here, and make sure the oil comes out. If it does, then we'll know that the top end is getting oil. Yep, spark plug smells like gas. Let's make sure it has spark. And there wasn't some kind of issue with that now. Yep, spark is there. While we have the spark plug out, let's test compression. All right, let's try it again. So we got 100 psi of compression. Okay. Last check, and then we'll squirt a few drops of oil into the affected cylinder. It'll start. It's not going to run perfectly. That's definitely more than a few drops. So that's a little bit higher, about maybe 101. All right, let's try to start this thing. At this point, we're gonna have to build the engine for short. Once again. All right, this is gonna be another attempt to start this bike. Let's see if it does it for me today. Fuel on. to choke on.